Yes, I'm Roman, and here I'm again with my Japanese friend Masashi, and I'll be trying to see if the Japanese stereotypes that I have and that some of you have are actually true. Are you ready? So the first stereotype we have of Japan is that Japanese people love anime and they love mangas. So if we were to go to Japan, for example, on the walls you see a lot of drawings and paintings, and everyone would maybe be cosplaying almost all the time. Is that true?
It's not true because but it's dependent on the city and the people also. So, but I think there are more anime things than France, of course.
All right, that sounds normal, but of course, a lot of people think that if I go to Japan, it would be a paradise for anime lovers. All right, so number two, we believe that Japanese people are very polite and super shy, so they will not say anything to make you feel bad, and they will always say "sumimasen," "gomenasai," or to seem very I don't know, friendly. Is that true?
Yes, we are. I think we are shy and polite, but I think we don't know how to interact with foreigners. But also, it also depends on the city. For example, Osaka, it's very different. So they are more more friendly, more open than Tokyo people.
All right. So what about you? Are you shy?
Yes, I think I'm shy.
So do you think you are different from the typical Japanese person?
Personally, yes, because I'm already living in France, so my mind has changed. So yeah, I think I'm a little bit different than Japanese generally.
Okay, great. It is often said that the Japanese society is very closed, and some people even go as far as saying that Japanese people are xenophobic, where they do not like foreigners. But I've read a lot and I've seen that it's not that they're xenophobic or that they're closed, but the typical Japanese person doesn't know how to interact with a foreigner, and they don't want to offend you, so they choose not to say anything. Is that true?
Yes and no. I mean, some people xenophobia exists in Japan, but in general, yes, I think later we don't know how to communicate with foreigner and how speak English, for example. So if foreigner uh, go Tokyo, some people they don't speak ごめんなさい like that. So it's possible because it's for them it's not usually.
So I have two last questions, and I've heard, and in fact, I have a friend who is living in Japan, and she says the same thing, that Japan is very, very safe. So, for example, I could leave my wallet here and I could sleep, and no one would take my wallet, or if it's lost, someone would maybe take it to my home or to the police station. Is it true that Japan is maybe the safest country in the world?
Yes, I think because but it's possible. It's possible in France also sometimes. I mean, if in France it's not safe than Japan, but also it's depend on the place also. But in Japan, is safe zone. There are more safe zone than France, I think.
Interesting. And where I live in France, I think it's pretty safe. I can leave my house pretty late. I can leave my windows open. I've left my window open and I've gone to work, and nothing is stolen. So that's interesting. My last question is, a lot of people tend to fantasize about Japanese women or Asian women, particularly Japanese women, because they believe that Japanese women are very kawaii. So we think that they will often raise their voice like, "Kawaii, Masashi-san, genki desu ka?" It's always very cute. Is this type of stereotype true? Are Japanese women really cute kawaii all the time?
I don't think so because it depends on people and but it's true. Some girls like anime girls. It's I think maybe maybe.
Okay, all right. Thank you so much. And it was really fun, interesting talking to you and having you share your opinion about these stereotypes. The thing is, I think stereotypes have some truth to them in general, whilst not being always true. So, nonetheless, thank you so much. And could you say like, subscribe, share, and goodbye in Japanese?
いいねと高評価と、チャンネル登録をお願いします。
All right, thank you and ciao.